Welcome to our cross-reference tutorial on how to make contacts. A contact in cross-reference is a person or business entity that we have a relationship with. In cross-reference, there are system groups, and you can also create custom groups yourself. Once you have a contact, you can join them to a group or multiple groups. So, a contact can be a customer and a supplier simultaneously. It's a contact in two groups. There are many advantages to this approach, but it becomes more evident when you start using it. Let's make a contact and add them to a group. Navigate to Contacts in the menu and click on All Contacts. The contact screen lists everybody, but keep in mind that you'll only see contacts associated with your login permissions. For now, let's assume you have access to all contacts. This list displays the first 500 contacts alphabetically. If you have more, use the search box and click Refresh to load the best matching 500 contacts containing the search text in their name, mobile, or email. Click the Add New Contact button and start the process. In the Add New Contact screen, the reference number will be labeled as New. If left as is, an automatic code will be assigned. The contact type can be set to business or individual, indicating if you're dealing with a business or a person. If it's a business, the business name becomes mandatory, and if it's an individual, the last name is required. Most fields are self-explanatory. The mobile default and email default are the primary ones used in the software. The alternate fields serve as backup contact details or to record previous numbers or emails when the default one is updated. Adding a contact is done in two stages, with stage 1 capturing basic contact details. It's not necessary to complete all fields, but the more information you have, the better your understanding of who you're dealing with. Click Save and move to stage 2, the Contact Edit screen. This layout provides more functionality as we now have something to build on. On this screen, you are not limited to 2 addresses. You can add as many as needed. Click Copy on an existing address to make another one, and you will find yourself editing the new address. In the address screen, you can see the layout at the bottom resulting from the choices and data you have entered. It's time to add this contact to the appropriate group or groups. Find the list of potential groups the contact can join in the Groups table. To join a group, click on the person icon with a plus symbol. For major groups like customers, it immediately launches the Add New Customer screen, where you can set preferences before saving. We'll discuss customers in detail in the customer video, but click Save, and your contact is complete, now also a customer. Back at the Contacts List screen, you'll find the usual Edit and Delete buttons, but also a button with a plus symbol to the right. This button adds events to a contact. Click it to note anything significant, and even attach related files. After saving, you're back at the Contacts list. Inside the contact, you'll find a table at the bottom left showing the events, including the one you just made. Yes, Cross-Reference has an event tracker. The system creates some events to note what happens, combined with manual entries, creating a comprehensive history of interactions with this contact. That's a concise overview of how contacts work in Cross-Reference. The journey doesn't end here, though. We'll delve into the groups that can be joined in more detail in their own videos. As we conclude, keep in mind that the first step to creating a customer, supplier, or any other entity is always to begin with adding a contact and then assigning them to the relevant group. Thank you for joining us today. Remember, we're here to help you make the most of our platform. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out to us using the About screen in Cross-Reference. We're always happy to assist you.